Hello everyone, welcome to MRU E-Learning powered by Malla Reddy University. This is P. Sabita, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, School of Engineering, Malla Reddy University. Today I am going to talk about the AWS with the help of AWS Academy, and we are going to discuss about how to implement the Amazon S3 service. Agenda of this presentation: introduction to AWS and how to log into AWS Academy portal and how to access the services with the help of AWS Academy, and introduction to Amazon S3 service, implementation of Amazon S3, creation of buckets in the S3 service, uploading the data into the S3 bucket, and how to apply versions to the files and delete the files from the S3 bucket. Conclusion. In today's digital world, cloud computing plays major role in IT infrastructure. So AWS, nothing but Amazon Web Services, is a powerful cloud platform providing scalable and cost-effective services, and also AWS Academy portal helps students to learn these services with the hands-on experience, and it helps prepare the students for AWS certification exams. So now I am going to discuss about how to log into AWS Academy portal. So normally in the Google, we can search as a AWS Academy portal, and we will find the link. We can click on the link and give your email ID and the password. Then we will find the this port interface. Then click on the LMS. So it will take little bit time and wait for that. Click on the LMS. Then it will go to the other dashboard. There you can find out your class. So here we will find out a AWS Academy Learner Lab. Click on that and make it as a view as a student. Right side corner you can find, and go to modules. Click on the Launch Learner Lab. Launch AWS Academy Learner Lab. So the AWS Academy portal is providing the free Amazon Web Services with the up to the $50. So we can use AWS services and we can experience. So click on the Start Lab. Then at the left side you can find out AWS with the red color circle and yellow and green. When it is turned into green color circle, so click on the AWS at the left side. So it will be redirect into the AWS management console. So here you can find out all the types of services are provided by the Amazon Web Services. At the left side tab you can find out we have a different types of services are provided by the AWS. So analysis, integration, and the backchain and management. Compute. With the help of the compute, we can provide the virtual machines. And containers. With the help of the containers, we can store the data. In the large number of data, we can store with the help of containers. And the databases also we can create, and development tools are available in AWS services. And next, storage, different types of services are available in the AWS. So now our next agenda is what is the Amazon S3? Amazon S3 is service provided by the AWS, nothing but simple storage service. Simple storage service. So that's why they named it as a S3. So it is a storage service, and we can store the data into the S3 in a very simple way. And also we can easily access the data from the AWS S3. So it is a very cost effective service available in the AWS. So what type of files we can store means any type of data we can store, documents, images, videos. Either we can use this as a backup also, like Google Photos or Google Drive. So S3 is a high durable and availability and scalability. With the help of this S3 service, we can access your data from anywhere. Now we are going to discuss about how to create the S3 bucket, either how to use the S3 service. So here you can find out the as a title of S3, click on S3. So here the S3 will, how to store the data into the S3 means it creates a buckets. So we can make it as a create a one bucket, and you can upload the files into the bucket. So that terminology used it as a bucket. So here create a bucket. So now go to the S3, click on the create bucket. So here you have a different types of options, what is the name you want to give and how to create, what are the accesses you want to give for the particular bucket, and next what is the key you are going to give, that all the different types of options are available. So one by one we will go. So now here you can find out general configuration of the S3 bucket. So what type of bucket you want to create. So I am going to create a simple bucket. So I am using the general purpose. And next, bucket name. So bucket name you must give as a unique. So in the existing all the S3 buckets. So now I am going to give as a MRU E-Learning as a bucket name. And so if you want to choose any existing bucket policies, so I am not going to choose any existing policies, so I am clicking. And I want to access only from my account. So that's why object ownership ACL disabled, and permissions, access permissions. So I don't want to give for public access. So private access, block all public access. And bucket versioning. This is I am going to explain in the once again. So here I am creating bucket with the disable, and I am not going to add any tags. So bucket key will be enabled. So here you can find out as a create bucket at the corner. So click on the create bucket. So here you can find out one bucket is created in my account. So here if you want to upload the files into the bucket, so click on the MRU E-Learning. So in the right side you can find out the upload version, either create folder. In the S3 bucket you can create the multiple folders. In the multiple folders also you can upload the data. So first I am going to upload the single file directly to the S3 bucket. So upload, and here you want to add the files, either add the folder. So I want to add file. So click on add file, and from here downloads I am uploading the one image. So browse from your system and select the particular file and click on the open. So here you can find out the what is the file name is there, that is uploaded. Then at the corner you can click on the upload. So here it will show that as a successfully upload, and click on the close. So in your bucket, this is my bucket name MRU E-Learning, and I have a file that is a Amazon Web Services logo. So again here I am click on the MRU E-Learning bucket. Now I am going to explain about how to create a folder and upload the file into the folder. So create folder, click on the create folder, give the name and learning. I am giving the name as a learning and art. So just simply click on the create folder. So in the same bucket, you can find out one folder is created. Now I am clicking on the folder and uploading. Here also you can upload the files. So click on the upload, add files. Again I am uploading the file as a PPT file. I am uploading into the folder. So click on open, browse your file and click on open and click on the upload. So this is the way we can store your data directly into S3 bucket. Either if you want to create the multiple folders, we can create multiple folders and upload the files into the bucket. Now I am going to explain about the versioning of our bucket. So versioning is a feature available in S3 that if you want to upload the multiple files, either single file you want to upload multiple times, so with the help of the versioning, we are able to differentiate the same file name, how many times you uploaded into the S3 bucket. So here, while you are creating the S3 bucket, you can enable the versioning option, then we can use this feature. So now I am going to create one more bucket in the AWS with the help of enabling the version. So go to the buckets and click on the create bucket and give same as a general purpose and the name. Here I am using the name as a E-Learning and ownership is the only private access. And next here, this is the feature of S3 bucket versioning. So bucket versioning, click on the enable and click on the create bucket. Now we are created the bucket. It is called this as a MRU learning. So click on the bucket and upload the file, add files. So click on AWS Web Services logo and the open. So I am uploading the file and once again I am uploading the same file into the bucket. So click on the upload, add files and same file I am uploading into the bucket and click on upload. So in the normal S3 bucket without versioning feature, if you are uploading the same file multiple times, what is the latest file will be uploaded and remaining files will be deleted from the bucket. So with the help of this versioning, how many times you are uploaded the same file, all the files will be available and it will be indicated with the L. So here our file name is there, Amazon Web Services AWS logo. So if you want to see multiple files you are uploading in the S3 bucket, so just simply click on the show versions. So then you can find out here the two files. So you can find out the timestamp. So previously first file I uploaded the 12:23 and second file I uploaded the 12:23 18 seconds. So previous file will be indicated as a with the help of L at the left top. So this is the way we can differentiate the same file in multiple times. If you are uploaded also, we can differentiate with the versioning. So and the next step, I am going to delete the files from the S3 bucket. So till now we are discussed about how to create the S3 bucket and how to upload the file into S3 bucket and how to create the folder in the S3. And now we are going to discuss about the how to delete the files or data from S3. So simply go to your bucket and click on here, click the checkbox. Next, you can choose the option as a delete. So here you can type the delete permanently, delete space T. Then it will be confirm that it will can delete. And click on the delete objects. So it is successfully deleted from our S3 bucket. So you can find out previously here we have a folder and the one image. Now we have only the one folder only. So previous image is deleted from the S3 bucket. So if you want to access the files from the service, S3 service, then click on the file and open that. Click on here, it automatically it will be open and you can download the file from the S3. So here you can see here the file is downloaded from the S3. So this is the file we are downloaded from the S3 bucket. So with the help of this implementation, so we can easily access the AWS services with the help of AWS Academy portal, and we are successfully created and managed the S3 buckets with the help of AWS Academy portal, and students will gain the hands-on experience with the help of AWS portal. Thank you everyone.